welcome to my channel. I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of a room at the St. Regis in Puerto Rico. Follow me. A nice water feature over there. Welcome in, and this is our room. This is our kitchen. We have our mini bar down here, and then like a coffee and tea station. Then come this way, you have your closet with some hangers. There's an ironing board, an iron here, and a safe. I love bathrooms, and this one is really pretty, so step on in. We have a double sink here, some nice lotion and hand washing products, and then the largest shower I've ever seen. The shower is just massive. You have a robe there, some other nice products, and let me not step in here with my shoes. And you have a nice big bathtub. I like that they have this here as well. I kind of just want to take a bath tonight, watch a show, drink our champagne that they gave us, and just like have a really great time. All right, so we're in our bedroom area. I like this art over here. It looks like a painting of like fish and like kind of the ocean. But yeah, you have your TV station over here, a little dining table. They set up some yellow flowers for us, which is really cute. Actually, I just learned it today from Instagram. Someone shared something saying that today is the day to give your lover yellow flowers that you want to spend the rest of your life with. So that's cute. And we have a nice big comfy bed. This is our little outside area with a table overlooking this golf course. I think it's just grass.
It's a golf course.
Come over. I don't think it's
It is a golf course.
Oh.
You see those things?
Oh. Wow, this is so pretty. So yeah, we're overlooking this golf course. I saw a huge iguana earlier, and there's like this beautiful lake. This is dreamy. I just want to sit out there and read. So this property is about 480 acres. They have a wildlife sanctuary where they have goats, but they also have cats and dogs that you can adopt. We're definitely going to visit that. You have some bikes to bike around the property. They have a lake with kayaks and paddle boards and like huge blow up like fun slides to do. This is a nature reserve in Puerto Rico, and we're pretty close to El Yunque, which we're going to go check out tomorrow, and I'm really excited.